Okay, guys. So welcome to a new video. Sorry for not been uploading for a while because the schedules have been rough. I have been sick for like 2 months, and I saw the flu was killing people, but I ended up getting over it. So yeah. So before we get into it, today's sponsors is Screencast-Matic. Screencast-Matic is basically the thing I'm recording with right now to make this possible. And I'm basically recording all this stuff. So if you wanna try this out, I ain't gonna be leaving links though. I'm too lazy for links, but yeah. If you wanna go try it out, just go to Screencast-Matic and boom, you're recording. Now, but that's not the thing I've been wanting to be bringing. We're gonna be working on this new series. Well, I'm done with working on it. It's called Surfing the Web, and I'm basically going to be putting up random words, and I might be looking for pictures and definitions. So you'll just type in the normal memes. Let's see. Meme: an element of culture or system behavior that may be considered to be passed from one from one individual to another. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Now, look at these. Oh my god, they're fresh. They're fresh. So these fresh memes, so let's go into this anyway. And if you like this, I might make this a main part, not even a series, but one of the main parts to my channels. Oh. Is your body from McDonald's? Because I believe in it. Okay, I go die. But yeah, we get some lots of good stuff in here. Meme generator. Obama? Valentine's Day post. That wasn't even funny. Now, look at all this memes. See, these dankalicious memes. These dankalicious memes are just too good. Now, these dankalicious memes are that face when you make your mom, that face when your mom makes you your favorite food. Oh yeah, because you gotta be loving it. Okay, so let's do this. When it's the last week of class and you realize you done nothing all semester. Well, I do my work, so I'll relate to that. Now, see, guys, this is a 420 meme. See, 0 smokes and then 10 smokes. Yes. You know what? Okay, so, how about we type in something nice? Ooh. Oh, no. Microsoft Edge, faster than best. That's a lie. It's not even faster than Chrome. So, let's type in, Logan Paul. And guys, if you got any words or things you want me to look up on the internet, just leave in the comment section below. Oh. Now this is art. This is just art. Now that's the thing, guys. There's only two Logan. Y'all can either have this Logan. Oh crap! Now let's get a bigger one. Y'all can either have this Logan, a handsome face, or y'all can have Logan's on drugs. Which to me, they look like the same person. You look. Let's get rid of the beard. Make him do like 2 pounds of drugs. Yeah. So let's go through some new things. Let's see some dankalicious memes. Logan. What is this? What is this? Oh, wait, I know what this is. Dankalicious memes. So, we have him in his gym shorts. I think he would be jumping off soon. You know, let's type in something that everybody's been asking so far. YouTube ban. Yes. Oh, wait. There's a post in all of my years online, I have never called out. I never once called out someone as I think is hateful. Set a bad president, such a bad president. But today, my heart was broken after seeing a fellow YouTuber creator make a film of a dead body victim. Well, guys, we both know she'd be doing the same thing. It's views, of course. The reason Jake Paul did it first is because he knows later one day somebody's probably going to do it. Oh, there you go. See, this is a perfect representation. See, he's trying his best, and this is basically Jake Paul, and he wants to get to the top where PewDiePie is, but he will never get to the top. And this is some fresh art right there. I don't even wanna. Well, well, that's a perfect reference. Well, that's a perfect picture. Okay, let's go to the perfect sites. Logan Paul may have been dropped by YouTube. He's still making. Okay, let's read about this article here. Pity stocks. What the? Is this clickbait? No, not on my channel. I would never sell out. Let's look at some fresh dank Trump. It doesn't dank Trump. Dank Trump memes. Let's go. Oh, that's not even his final form. No, we need to make memes dank it. Well, yes, we need to do that. But they already are, so there's no need. When you hit it from behind and she says turn around and moans, ah, Poppy. Whoa. Oh, wow. Look at all these. I think it's perfect. Fresh. Absolutely. So, this video is going so good so far. Surfing the web. Fresh memes right here. Fresh memes. Oh, why is everything blue? Trump. Oh, what is this? I like that. Well, let's go to the fresh dinkalicious memes. Triggered memes. Pokemon. Triggered. Scissor, rock, rock, paper, scissor memes. Fresh. I don't want to look at that. Memes. Perfect. That's a perfect representation. Not sure if. Nope. No. This not my YouTube channel is not gonna get banned. So. Walmart. Whoa. Okay. Let's see this. Some Germany. Gerbs. Oh my god. How can these memes get any danker? Perfect. It kind of looks like me when I wake up. Okay. Somebody once told me the world was gonna roll me. Ain't sharp too. Bert's Burger. Okay, now these are just. You know what, guys? How about we go into the rabbit hole of the internet? And you know what I do? Ribbit memes, yes, there you go, ribbit memes. I mean, why did I say ribbit? I meant rabbit. Crap. And these rabbit memes aren't dank enough. So we gotta go to the rabbit hole. See this for the rabbit hole, right? Then you put space of the internet. You see? Our conspiracy theory. Exactly. We must do something about this. These memes ain't even dankalicious yet. These memes are dankalicious. So how about we go to I got some dank memes. And right in my pocket. I do this and I rock it, so I pop and lock it. Going to this Xbox One, you might want to put some memes. Put some memes. Xbox turns on. What is this? Oh wow. Let's look at more of these. This comic is pretty nice. Guess who's coming back? Now let's make some. Oh yeah, some comments. Yes. Oh no, see guys. Now look at this guy. Oh crap. See, you see this guy? This is an age restriction. So you know what we do with this? So let me just no age restriction right there. So look some Xbox meme. I failed to see the difference. Yeah, this looks like Xbox One to me. You know what? How about we kick off this end of the video with surfing with a... What is this? All fun and games till the cockroach goes along and spread out the... I know! Like, when I see cockroaches on the street, I just start to mess with them and I won't be scared. But as soon as they pop out their rings, oh, yes, I'm gonna be running. Cockroach. Which one of y'all, leaked of me and my girlfriend? Oh my god. All these cockroaches memes. Challenge accepted. Yeah, that's how I'll be like. If you start flying, you win this time. That's me. That's me in a nutshell. If I see him outside, I'll be like, oh, okay, I'm watching you. What? Oh, and I'm running out of here. You know, let's kick this out. So, cause we might be ending it here soon. But some nice memes up. And the reason why I keep bringing this up is because some of my buttons on my keyboard doesn't work. So how about we go to some dankalicious memes. No, this is where you get the nice sorts. What an odd bunch. How I feel when an entire class copy. Exactly. Oh my god. Trying to pay for, I get it. Boy. Hey guys, if I get at least 50 views on 50. I won't go too hard. At least get 50 views. 50 or 40 50, 30 or 40 views. Then I'll do a face reveal. What oh my god. I know the awkward moment when the teacher is helping the person right next to you. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I don't know. Where's those memes? Where's those delicious memes? I think we missed some. There we go. Rock body will run steak in. Whoa. So many good memes though. Even though these are kind of weird, they're still good memes. Hi Kevin, I'm Pickle Root. I don't know. No. F is for friends who think do together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere or anytime at all, if you know what I mean. I swear, not when it was. Yes, it is. We asked your parents, why are you still single? When your parents asked why you still single, you gave me this face. When you're about to go to sleep, you remember you have, oh, yes. She gives, oh my god, this is hilarious. A bill, breathing, talking, standing, existing, Well, that's every restaurant.